They have yung open area, no? Malaki ding ano to, yung capacity. It's almost full. Time is 6 o'clock na ba, May? No, so they have open tables here. Now let's just check yung facilities here. Paakyat siya, no? Paakyat siya. There table, yung mga tables doon, no? Open cottages. But what is unique about yung place na to is it's overlooking Jansan. No, this is part of yung Nopal Hills. Ito yung parang attraction ng place, no? Because fresh air, and you can order food. Yung ganyan, no? open na mga cottages. No? Doon kami doon sa isang area na open, na we reserve yung area. This is in Nopal Hills, no? So yung biyahe mo along Mabuhay Road, dire-diretso ka lang. Tingnan natin yung malapit lang din siya, no? Kasi from City Heights 15 to 20 minutes lang yung place. Yan. Ikot natin, no? Yung place. So they have yung ito, open area. Ito yung maganda kasi overlooking siya na city. That's Jansan, yung unahan. Siguro the city is mga 10 kilometers away. But yung below na area, there's a golf driving range. Yung kita mo yung mga parking ng mga sasakyan. So this is Nopal Hills, no? This is part of yung barangay Conel na area. They have yung mga open na mga cottages. This one. It's starting to be colder kasi almost 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So medyo fresh air. At they have there's parang mga area you can order here. Bar na area. Yan, na side. It's an elevated area. Ikot lang tayo dito. So this is facilities niya. Marami din, no? So yung mga investment nila, so significant na rin siya. So they have here yung pine tree. Oh, bago to. This is planted yung pine tree. Ito yung area. They have this area. Ito yung area na pagkain nila. Ilalim sa ibabalik. So this is Hill 6 ang tawag niya, no? Hill 6. So they have yung parking, maraming sasakyan. Medyo nag-click yung area, no? Maraming pupunta. Yan. Yan. Parking. You visited mga more than 100 vehicles today. Something new. They have the water system here. Ito yung mga patubig nila, no? Sige. So pagpasok mo, you have to pay 50 pesos. No, yung iba. But sa other side, they have an open space here also. No, yung area. Ayan. Open space na area. This is parking. Hindi tayo papasok. The entrance, I think nag-orders na ng food here. Hill 6. Hill 6 area. At Layson Farm. Ah! Layson Farm. This is part of Layson Farm. Order na kayo ng food? This is part of Layson Farm pala. Nakalagay. Ano in order nyo? Na food?
Snacks lang ito pa, in advance lang.
Ah, sa kumain na.
Kasi before pa nag-conduct na natin, siyempre, order na kayo pa.
Okay.